how to map the menu key or, in fact, remap any keyboard shortcut or hotkey on the keyboard in Windows PC. Then you are at the right place. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. PC users can press the Windows 11 or 10 menu key on their keyboard to launch the context menu that you would normally access by right-clicking the mouse. However, some keyboards don't have a menu key. In this video, we will show you how to map the menu key or, in fact, remap any keyboard shortcut or hotkey on the keyboard in Windows PC. Let's get started. Map menu on keyboard. To map the menu key to any key on the keyboard, do the following. First, you need to download and install the PowerToys utility if you haven't already. After the installation, launch the utility. Select Keyboard Manager in the right pane. Next, click Remap a key on the right pane. In the Remap keyboard window that appears, click the Add Key Mapping option to add a new key mapping. If you have a full-size keyboard, the Alt key to the right of the spacebar usually works well. It's in the same general location as the menu key on the other keyboards. And you have another Alt key on the left. You can choose any other key if you want. Now on the left, you have to define the key you are remapping. Click Select and from the drop-down select Alt. In the To End section on the right, click the drop-down menu and then select Apps or Menu. Click OK. PowerToys will probably warn you that the key you are remapping will be unassigned. Click Continue anyway on the prompt if appears. Your new menu key should work immediately. To test it, click anywhere on the desktop and then press your new menu key. It should see a small context menu appear. Depending on the application or feature you use the menu key for, you will notice the options in the menu change. If at any time you want to discard the mapping, navigate to the Remap keyboard window in the PowerToys and then click the trash icon beside the mapping to remove it. And that's how to map menu key on the keyboard in Windows 11 or 10 using PowerToys. If your Windows version supports this, you can use Microsoft Keyboard Layout Creator to create your own keyboard layout. If you are using a Microsoft keyboard, you can use the Mouse and Keyboard Center to customize the layout. There are several other keyboard remapping apps you can search for and download from the Microsoft Store. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.